everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today I'm making a wedding bouquet in a teardrop shape. It's going to be a hand-tied bouquet, and I'm using fresh flowers, dried flowers, and some artificial greenery. So I have these lime green roses. I have a little bit of ruscus. I have some lavender colored mini carnations. Actually, it's more of a darker purple colored mini carnation. I have some dried kind of a peachy orange colored little bits of wheat there. I also have, like I said, an assortment of artificial greenery. And then I have some kind of orangey colored dried protea. So this was actually ended up being a really difficult bouquet to arrange just because the dried protea have zero gift to them. When making a fresh flower bouquet, you really need a lot of flowers and you need to have them be flexible. So as you can see, when you're doing the hand tied, you want to bring in your stems in at an angle so that they can point out and start making the dome-like or the draping shape that you want. And the protea had none. But my whole point in arranging this bouquet was to show how secondary colors look so nice together. So as long as you get kind of on the same off shade hue of purples, greens, and oranges, those secondary colors, you can still harmonize a bouquet. So it is a variety of different textures, different mediums, and then different types of flowers too. You've got kind of more of a natural, and then you've got the garden roses, and then you have the tropical protea in there. So it is a mixed bag, but by using the secondary colors, it blends really nice. So of course the primary would be your red, yellow, and blue, and then just secondaries are your orange, purples, and greens. So it was really a lot of trial and error making this bouquet. Like I said, trying to get everything to bend the way I want it to. If you do like to do kind of a teardrop shape bouquet using roses and some kind of more woody stems that are difficult to bend, you might want to consider using an armature or some kind of form within the center, or better yet, scrap the idea of doing a hand tied and use a floral foam bouquet holder. You can find those at your craft store too. Or you can attempt to do it the way I did it. It just takes a lot of flowers and a lot of concentration and a strong hand. But you don't want to be so strong that you break the rose. But I'm going to stop yapping here. I'm just going to play a little bit of music and you can watch it come together. much for tuning in.